Woo! No! Hey! Coming, coming. Turn the bike off. Bike is off. Oh shit. Okay. Come. 1 sec. First for today. There are going to be more. Last night was quite cold. Needed all my warm gear, not all of it, most of it though. They say that some people have trouble sleeping at Pangong, near Pangong, because of the altitude. Fortunately, no issues. These tents are pretty cool. This place, we're staying at a place called Pangong Sarai at Maan village. It's right by the lake. The lake is just down there. And they have tents like these. I'll show you inside this one. Hello.
Hi.
So there's a double bed, a few plug points, a heater that doesn't seem to work. I don't know, I think they turn it on only in the real winter, and an attached bath, which is like kind of cool. Low ceiling, but this is my favorite part of this whole thing. Look at the view from here. That's the best bathroom view ever, right? With all the water crossings of yesterday, the boots got wet on the inside, and because it's been so cold over here, they haven't dried up. Got dry socks, but these shoes are gonna be cold. Okay, all right, here we go. Ooh. Let's go. All right, it's time to roll. There is a route from Maan, where we were. You ride off-road to a place called Chushul. So this next like 30-35 kilometers, I think. So you need a special permission to ride this route, and you need a separate permission for Hanle. But yeah, I've done this route in 2016. Let's see how different it is now. This is a crazy route. So I didn't really shoot much in 2016 because I wasn't doing much YouTube stuff then. I mean, at that point I didn't even think I was ever going to do YouTube, but hopefully I will document it better this time around. This JCB has created an arch for us. Thank you.
That was sick. That was sick.
Let's go. The bikes are just sliding all over right now because there's way too much sand here. This is what I was telling you guys about. Look at this. You have no idea where to go, and there are so many tracks. Which one do we follow? Woo! No! Hey!
Oh. What is this?
What is this? Which way do we go?
Wait, who's this?
Hey, there's a road there, guys.
Oh!
Hey, guys.
What?
There's a road there. You see that where the bikes are coming?
Oh!
There's a road.
We are taking the off-road.
We need to get onto that road, guys. Alright. Whoa! What's he doing? Okay, let's go. Shreyas is going crazy right now. Look at this. Woo! Also, would you believe that I'm riding a Jawa? You know, when I first saw the Jawas, which is quite recently, I mean, I knew that they were launched and all, but I saw the bikes like for real only like last month sometime, and I thought they looked really well built, but the ground clearance was something that caused me some concern, because I was like, what, 173 mm, that's it? And when they told me we were going to be riding in Ladakh, I was a bit skeptical about it. I was like, that ground clearance is going to be a huge issue. But as you can see, it's not like we've been taking the easy routes, and it's not like I've been taking it easy on the bike, but she's handling it beautifully. There's nothing around here except noisy Shreyas. Shreyas is like the noise we're carrying everywhere. Start singing at least, dude, it'll be musical. First time in Ladakh, boys, and doing this route. Do you think that this is a route that a first timer in Ladakh can do who may not be as experienced at riding as you guys?
Well, after falling twice, I can tell you that it's possible. It's not like, oh god, what should I,
Yeah, but you just gotta like pace yourself. Like you shouldn't gun it.
Get a hang of it and you'll get used to the terrain.
Absolutely.
And look at the
have to be
view.
extremely careful though.
And everybody falls, dude.
Yeah.
Everybody falls. Like I've fallen. I mean, I haven't yet fallen here, but I might. Like never say never. Anything can happen anytime. That's just how it is. And it could happen when you're riding on tarmac there too. It's drizzling slightly.
Yeah.
Lovely weather. I don't know. It's warm, but it's cold, but it's raining and it's dry and it's.
There's water.
Water.
Out through.
Come.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And just like that, we are here. This is Pangong Lake, right at the lake. Look at this lovely little piece. this is where the road begins. This is the outskirts of Chushul. So we've done that ride off-road along Pangong. On the route to Rezang, we just stopped, and the local team that's with us, somebody told us that way out in the distance there's a white building. I don't think you can see it on the GoPro, but that's the Indo-China border. And that mountain you see there, the darker colored one, those are in China. So we're just like a few hundred meters away from the Indo-China border right now. Who wants to go to China?
Not me.
Not me. Not now. I want to go to China, but not like this. Okay, let's go. Crazy sun. This beautiful, pristine looking stream turns into one deceptive water crossing here. So it's nice and shallow as you come through there, and then suddenly gets really deep over here. I believe that this is Changala. This is the beauty of this route. You reach places and then you have no idea which way to go. Yeah, but when I went to Somariri, I went that way. Hey, there's one Innova there. Let's ask them. 22 more kilometers to Loma, which is where the branch off happens. At that branch off, you go right and then you go back to the road to Leh. You go left, you go to Hanle. Water crossing, here we come. And we have reached Loma. And we're through the checkpost and crossing this bridge towards Hanle. The last time I came here, I had to just stop and take pictures of this because I didn't have the permit to cross here. But this time we got it. We picked up a hitchhiker along the way, giving him a ride to wherever it is that he wants to go towards Hanle. Look at this road though, man. It's really nice that you can stand and ride this bike, you know. I mean, the handlebar, especially on the 42, is a little bit low, definitely. Being able to do this, even if you have to like bend over a little bit, it makes a huge difference. It gives you relief, and particularly because the seat is strictly average. The seat on the 42 is kind of like, I mean, it's okay for short rides, but if you're spending the whole day on the saddle, then your butt starts to hurt, basically.
Chill for some 30 minutes till we will come.
Where?
Summa here only.
Come, let's find a good place to put a time lapse.
We can do something.
We'll go a little bit ahead, we'll put one. So we've done a significant amount of the distance. We crossed the check post to enter the road to Hanle. It's 45 kilometers from there. I think we've done about 5 kilometers. But the scenery was just so beautiful that we both parked our bikes. Bikes are somewhere there, you can see them, I think.
Yeah, just chilling
And
on the road.
we've just like passed out on the road. We're gonna chill here, watch the clouds for a while, and then ride, because from here the road is beautiful.
Yeah, it's
like-
just 35 kilometers from here.
And it's insane tarmac, no?
Absolutely.
Crazy tarmac. Can't wait to ride it. But first, cloud watching.
Look at how blue the sky is there.
Hey, currently I can't show them the sky, man.
Oh yeah, you're on the selfie.
Because I don't know how to do that, yeah. Okay, sky.
Grey and blue.
And faces again. See you guys in a bit. Cue time lapse.